Yes. So
Hi there. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Okay.
Tell me about
It-
yourself. How are you?
Yeah, first of all, I want to tell you that it is my privilege to talk to you. Okay. I have seen your couple of videos with Shiv, sir, and these videos are very inspiring. You are mentioning that video that you have been motivated by that, sir, and I really, really appreciate your journey also. And it is my privilege that when I you drop the message in the group and I'm calling you and you received my call, accepted my call. Thank you so much for that.
Oh my God. Thanks a lot. This is completely my privilege, as you are saying. So I'm very happy to know that you have already watched my videos. And yes, if I talk about Siu sir, so yes, I can say he's my real mentor and motivator because he's the
Okay.
one who got me on this platform and everything about my journey. So now I would like to know about yourself.
My name is JD. Okay, I'm from Maharashtra, born and brought up in Maharashtra. I completed my 12th, then I dropped out of my college. At this point, I'm unemployed. I was working in a company. That company had been shut down. Okay, so I'm looking for another job at this point.
Okay, so may I know, means as you are mentioning your company has been shut down, so what is the reason behind it?
It was
And which
contractual
type of
company. Yeah, it is a contractual based company. So the company gets contract for 4 months, 5 months, and then it will be shut down. Lack of the contract.
you are also a YouTuber, I think.
Yeah, I recently have started my channel. Very less subscribe, under 1,000 subscribers I'm having. I hope audience will support your channel as well as my channel in the future, so we can go improve together.
Yes, definitely. If we are here to help others, so the people in front of us, they will also help us in our journey, and in this way, we can also get someone motivated by our journey. As you are also
Yeah.
doing, I am also doing, so that is great thing. So may I know something about your YouTube journey, like is there any special reason to start YouTube channel or only for learning English communication?
Actually, see, when we talk about talking on the video call, right? So you are going to rectify your mistakes because right now you can see our facial expression, right? Your body language, pronunciation, intonation, right? So you're going to rectify those small, tiny mistakes. So it will help you a lot to improve your communication, right? Suppose if you don't have any video, so it is very difficult. You will be keep making same mistake again and again, right? So if you want to avoid those things, so you can just record yourself, and it is a best platform to connect with people because people are very very motivated.
Yes, yes, you are right. And also, I am here for this purpose only to recognize my mistake and after that to rectify it.
How long have you been learning language? How long have you been starting?
Yes, actually, I have been learning English language. It's been more than 6 months now, I think,
6 months.
approximately 7 months. But
Okay.
yes,
In six
when
months,
I
you have
started
improved a
learning
lot.
English,
In
yes,
a 6 months, you have improved a lot, but people are learning English language for like a couple of years, but still they haven't achieved that kind of fluency you are. You're speaking good. You are articulating your thoughts very well.
yes, thanks a lot for appreciating me. But sometime I am also observing lots of shortcoming in me because I'm still not considering myself as much fluent as I want. And
Mhm.
way of speaking is also quite fantastic. So now I would like to know something about your journey. Like when did you start, and what is the reason behind starting your journey of
I
English?
started. Yeah, sure, sure. I glad to mention my journey here. I have started my communication journey, English journey. I think 3 or 4 years ago when I was working in a sales, like in a company. So there were so many colleagues. They used to speak in English. Okay, and they were getting more sales, and I was the guy who doesn't know English at all, so I was getting very less sales at that time. So I
Mm.
thought, why shouldn't I learn little bit English so I'll get a sell. So it was the language learning started from there only because I wanted to speak basic English, so I can communicate with my customers in English, so I will get more sales. Yeah, so it started like 3-4 years ago.
Wow, that's great. So your journey is quite long, I can say. That's why
Yeah,
you have such a good
my
fluency in
listening
English.
ability. Yeah, my listening is very good. I like to watch, Hollywood movies. I also know lots of vocabulary words. But the thing is, we are not going to incorporate those vocabulary words in your speech, right? So that is the problem. We have to do lots of practice for that, right?
Yes, yes. And as you are using this word incorporate and articulate, so I have also recently means learned these two words and also many more words, and I have I have been using also
Mhm,
uh,
mhm,
since when have learned. So I have been
mhm.
using, I think in
Mhm.
my five videos. So only by using, by repeating the words, we can
Repeating
get it
words.
registered.
It
Yes,
will comes naturally. Then you have to repeat one word for like 15 times or 20 times. When you repeat those words for that amount of repetition, repetition is the key. Right? It will comes automatic from your mouth. That I believe. And ma'am,
yes,
what
yes.
do you do in your life? Are you housewife or do you work somewhere?
Yes, actually, I'm private school teacher by profession, and I I'm private school
Actually,
teacher, housewife also, and mother also, and YouTuber also, tailor
okay.
also.
So you
Lots
know
of.
how to sew. Okay, sewing machine, right? Yeah. It's very general in my village because so many people you're gonna find they know sewing machine, right? So they can stitch clothes and those things.
Yes.
Mm. So are you private teacher or a government teacher?
No, no, I'm private school teacher, not
Private. And
government.
how long have been working there in that school?
Actually, in my current school, I have been teaching for 2 years, but before that, I was teaching in another school, and I had been teaching there since 2013. Okay, so I
That's
want to ask something like what to do to upskill our English.
yeah, that's very interesting question. Everybody knows the answer, right? Everybody knows. Okay, you also know what should we do. Every
Yes, we
learners know.
all know, but sometimes despite knowing, we are not following.
See,
So,
one simple mantra I will tell you. Okay, one key. You have to be consistent. Okay, if you don't like to read a book, don't read. If you like to listen on only audio, watch videos, you also improve because watching video you're going to learn new vocabulary words, right? Hollywood movies and but people are not consistent for long period of time, right? That is the see people know if you are in order to speak well you have to speak a lot, right? You have to speak each and every day 1 2 hours, but people don't speak that much.
yes, you're right.
Yes or no? People don't speak that much, so that is the issue. Actually, I'm getting another call right now from someone.
So, do you
That's why.
want to that call?
No, no, no. We will can talk, okay? And see, like consistency is the key. You have to be consistent for long period of time. Then fluency will comes automatically. Create an environment around you where you find people who speak in English, right? If you find a people who speak in English, then automatically you're going to be fluent, okay? But it requires like couple of years, right? 2 years, 3 years. You have to have patience for that. Just be consistent. So whatever you're doing in English, just be consistent. That I believe.
Yes, we all learners and beginners are being suggested from by each and everyone to do all these things, and I can say like yes, I am not a procrastinate type person, but sometime I have to skip my practice due to time management. Time means lack of time, I can say.
Mhm.
So
Do you speak English with your childrens, like child?
yes, my child means I try to speak English with him, but he's not speaking. And means as much as I want him to take interest in
Mhm,
English, so he's not taking. Sometimes I'm also getting irritated by him, like he speak English because he's able to understand, but he's not
mhm.
speaking. I don't know why. Means on this platform there are lots of kids. They are just of same age of my son, and they are speaking such a fluent English by
Ah,
themselves. They are also creating channel. They are having good subscribers, viewer more than us. So by observing all these things, somewhere I also want to create interest in my son, but he's not taking. So may I know
yeah.
something about your family?
I have four members in my family. Okay. I have a
Hmm.
brother. He's younger than me. I think 3 years younger than me. Right now he's working. He have a very good job. Okay. But unfortunately, I don't have. Actually, I don't have. Right now I'm unemployed. This is a condition here. I born and brought up in village, so you know very well. In village area, if you're trying to find a job, you will not get a salary, right?
No, no,
So
you're
that is the condition here. Yeah. So I'm just thinking about why shouldn't I work on my communication? I start my YouTube channel, or I'll find students, online. I will start to teach them.
right.
I know very well I have to improve my communication. There is no doubt about it. If you are good at English, then you will find students, right? So these things will be there. But at this point, I don't know from where to start. I have at least YouTube channel, so I communicate and improving my communication. That exactly I'm doing right now.
But yes, your English is quite good, and I think you are able to make other understand or learn how to speak English, how to be fluent in English. So lots of YouTubers are there. I am also observing they are just creating their channel, and after some time they started teaching others. Like they are taking online classes on this
Hmm.
platform. So in this way, what happened? Most of the my viewer sometime also they are asking like, "Ma'am, are you taking any coaching class, online class?" I said, "No, oh my God, hardly I'm learning English by myself." And how can I miss? This is extra responsibility.
Okay.
Being a YouTuber, also we have to manage lots of things,
I
and
understand.
it's a time taking
Once
process.
someone, yeah, when someone's going to get married, they have lots of responsibility, right? Like you have a family, you have to take care of them, and you have YouTube channel. So it is for your first, priority going to be your family, right? Your first priority, your family. Your first priority, making money, right? And language learning would be your third priority, right? Fourth priority, right? So
But you
these things would be there.
But yes, as you're saying, like family is always first priority for me, and my job is also just suppose second priority. But to be very honest, I never ever thought whenever I created my channel to earn money from YouTube. I just started my channel only for learning English communication, only for being consistent myself. And
Uh,
sometimes also some people are just asking about, are you earning money and all. So I'm telling no. They're saying no, you must be earning money because you are having good subscriber and viewers. You are telling lie. I said no, oh my God, I'm not telling lie. My channel is not monetized. But I don't know, lots of things means something I can say anything about it. My husband is uploading my video. He is watching sometime. I'm saying, what, no, what are you watching? What are you seeing? Just give me my mobile. So sometimes he's saying, let me check your YT. Let me check this. Means sometime I'm realizing that my husband is more excited than me about my channel because I don't have time even. Only I'm just whenever I'm free from my kitchen, so I just started watching my all the comments, and after reading my comment, I feel very much happy inside. And
motivated.
yes, yes. So whenever
Exactly.
I uh, get this type of appreciation, so also I get motivation. Yes, I can do like this. Only this type of feeling, I can do better than this. I can do better than this, like this. So sometimes he's watching watch time and what is this? I don't know about all this thing, but I know only editing. So I have also learned this from my husband, and I'm doing so like this.
Yes, sure, ma'am. I have seen one good quality in you. Like you are very friendly, okay, with people. Whenever you talk, and teacher should be friendly. Otherwise, students will not learn, right? They will not
Yeah,
be attentive.
this is the appreciation that I'm getting by each and everyone, like from my surrounding people, my students, that you are so friendly and this type of. So yes, we should be
Okay.
friendly. In this world, we are here only to help others. So if we are able to help someone, so this is good quality.
Next time we will make for myself for my channel. Okay. You can keep this
Okay.
video. For next time, I will make for myself. Okay. Bye for now. Then thank you so much for your precious time. Bye.
Bye. Thanks a lot.